Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Gamble with Jimmy. Today, I came up and merged my two best money making strategies. I took one strategy that makes me the most money, and I took the other strategy that is the most consistent on building a bankroll. And I merged them together, and I call it Jimmy's Way Roulette. So, this is Jimmy's Way Roulette. It's probably one of the best strategies that you will ever see, ever in roulette. Let's go ahead and get started, and I'll show you how it works. You're going to take $18 here. You're going to bet these 6 numbers over here on this first section. So you have half of the first section, okay? But you have $18 all smothered over those 6 numbers. So you have half of the board, okay? Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to take $25 and you're going to bet the second and third section. Every time that you hit one of these 24 numbers, you're going to make a $7 profit. If you happen to hit this one, I want to say it pays either 41 or 36 because you do lose this 50. So we'll have to wait and see. Okay, so that's your $7 on a $68 bet. You lost 43, you won 50, it pays 7. So you just repeat it. Okay, you won another $7. Okay, so you hit your virus. So it's $58. So on an $18 bet, because you have a $68 bet, well, here, remember, you have 50 over here. So this little $18 paid you 58. It won $118. This $18 won 118. You lose this 50. Why does it show that we lost 60? Okay, you lose some of the money here too as well, because you only get paid on a handful of numbers in your group. Okay, so you're up $72. Okay? Now, what you can do is if you want to, you can move your virus over here now if you feel like this section is going to hit. But we'll just leave it alone. We'll just leave it alone and spin. Okay, boom, back to back. We hit our 6 numbers. Okay, so that's a $31 win. Okay, so that one didn't win as much. Why? I don't know. That's interesting. Oh, because... yeah, I really don't know why it didn't win as much. I guess... oh, because it's a corner number. That's why, guys. See, it's only getting these little hits to it. So that's why. So some will pay better than others. Okay, interesting. Okay, so now you're going to go for a couple more spins. Okay, so that's a total loss. So you're going to double your bet to 136. Okay, that's a $14 win. Okay, you got another loss. You only have 8 numbers that beat you. So every time you lose, you got to double the bet. Okay, so you're minus 3. So what you're going to do now, because you're pretty much back to even, you have to start over. You have to be very careful that you don't lose, even though you only have 8 ways, you have 30 numbers and you only lose to 8, you still have to be very careful. This is a strategy where you're trying to get up $100, and then I'm going to show you what to do, okay? All right, so the more that you reduce this back after you're in profit or even, the better. Okay, so put the 5s here. All right, so you're 25, 25. All right, here we go. Okay, so we're in profit, $4. That was a $7 win. Okay, another 7. Trying to get to $100. Okay, that's another win. Okay, another win. Okay, we're up 32. We're up 39. Okay, that's one of those total losses. So we're going to double this bet. Okay, repeat it. Okay, so we're back. So watch the way I'm playing it, guys, okay? So I don't want you staying at this $136 bet. Your goal is to hit here, okay? That's the reason why we're not up a lot, but we're even. So when you're even or you're in profit, you are to reduce it right back down again. You want to give yourself as many chances as possible to always be able to double it after a loss. And if you stay too high, then you're getting into these $250, $400, $600 bets. You're going to win always. If you have a big bankroll, you're always going to win. But if you don't have a big bankroll and you lose a few, you're going to take a loss. Okay, here we go. Boom. That's what we're looking for. Okay, so we hit it with, we got $57. We're up. Okay, we're going to repeat it. Same bet. Okay, that's another 7. We're at 64. Okay, that's a total loss. We're back in the negative. Got to double it. 136, here we come. Okay, we got 14 back. Oh, I was supposed to reduce it, guys. Oh, thank God I didn't. Wow, we got lucky. I was supposed to reduce it because we went up to $10 profit, and you got to go back down to level 1. But we were fortunate. I forgot to do it. We hit and we got the bigger money. Okay. Now here's what you do when you get up to 126, 100, 150, 126, 125. Now you remove your 2 sections. Okay. So now you're going to play on the house. Okay. And now you can move your virus wherever you want to. So we're going to go ahead and plant it right here. Okay, so this goal of this game is to get up the profit, and then you switch it to this virus and go with it solo, and you're going to martingale it. Every 2 losses, you're going to double it. Okay, that's 1 loss. Just repeat the bet. Boom, hit it. You're at 216, okay? You're going to move your virus to right. Let's move it to right. It's either going to be here or here or here. Let's move it here. So once you get up to like 125, 150 bucks, guys, you are now free rolling on the casino's money. You are free rolling on their money, and you could bring this sucker up to thousands of dollars. Thousands of dollars. Watch this. $18 bets, okay? When you lose the first time, just replace the bet. Okay, we lost 2 times, so we're going to double the bet and go from 18 to 36. Boom, $342. Okay, now we're going to move the virus. Let's spin a couple times, see where it goes. Okay, $18 casino virus implanted into the casino. Okay, repeat it. Okay, that's a double loss. You got to double it. Go to a $36 bet. Boom. $468, guys. Spin the wheel. Okay. All right, let's bring this sucker in the middle. The monkey in the middle. Guys, these are small bets. This casino virus makes so much money, dude. It's so sick. It makes so much money, dude, for such a small bet. Ooh, we almost got it. Boom. $531, guys. $531. So a lot of times you're not even going to go back to what made you the profit. Okay? Because once you get that money up, you're just going to, like right now, the casino, look at this, guys. They're screwed. I literally can turn this into $18,000, guys. I'm not kidding. I could do this all day long. $639. I mean, it would take a long time, but you guys don't understand the power of the $639 now. You don't understand. You're starting with $18. You're losing 2 times, then you're going to 36. You're losing 2 times, then you're going up. You're losing 2 times, then you're going up. You're losing 2 times, then you're going up. But guys, you don't understand. When you hit it, after you lose all those times, you know how much money you're going to make? Guys, we'll turn this 639 into $2,000 and really fast. And remember, it's all because we won $125. Watch what happens on a $125 win. All right, I'm going to go right here. I have a feeling the third section's going to hit here soon. And also, guys, you can always move it around. You could experience one section over here winning like 10 times in a row. So you can move it around. I like to kind of keep it where it is because usually it ends up coming back over there. So we got to double it. $36. I mean, they're so small of bets, okay? We just spin again. Okay, now we got to double it again. This is our biggest bet. $72 is still a low bet. It's still low. Okay, one more time. Almost. We got to double it again. Where are we at now? 144. Boom. $1,035, guys. We're up. $1,035. If you don't think that I can turn $125 into 10 grand on this strategy, I can do it. Once you get going, guys, this thing, that virus, that casino virus, it implants into the casino and they just gonna lose all their money. Dude, I absolutely love it. I freaking love it. I gotta go. I'm going to the casino. I'm out.